Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the exact clip you want from TikTok. Open TikTok, locate or record a vertical 15-60-second clip in 9:16. Once you have it, tap Share and Save Video. Make sure the clip appears in Photos. Why this matters. Live wallpapers need a local video file and vertical framing to look right on the lock screen. If the video includes text or watermarks, consider trimming or using a clean take before moving on. Next, convert that saved video into a live photo so iPhone can use it as a live wallpaper. You can use the Shortcuts app, run a Convert Video to Live Photo shortcut, choose the clip, and set the start time. Keep the clip under 5-10 seconds for smooth playback. Once done, check Photos and make sure Live is enabled. This gives you the motion frames, why it works. Lock Screen Live uses the live photo format to animate when you press the screen. Finally, open Photos, pick the live photo, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper. Set it for the lock screen, confirm live photo is on, then tap Set. Press the screen on the lock screen to play the live motion. That's how you get the TikTok clip to animate. If it doesn't animate, make sure Reduce Motion is off in Settings Right Arrow Accessibility Right Arrow Motion, and confirm live photo is saved as a live photo rather than a still image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.